Hello, SIGGRAPH 2025, and thank you very much for RapidPipeline for that opportunity. My name is Ben, and today I want to give you some information about our Roomle software solutions, which are the online tools for individual product sales. But before we dive deeper into the products and what we offer to our customers, I want to give you a good overview about the company and who we are. We were founded in 2014. We are based in Linz, which is the heart of Austria. And throughout our journey, we have developed more than 1,000 product configurators already. And since 2021, we are part of the Homer Group. Our customers are mainly in the furniture industry. So you can see premium sofa manufacturers such as Rolf Benz or Cave Home. But we are very flexible. So you also see with Bansel, with Metro or Schuko, companies from way other industries than the furniture industry. But what are we actually offering and how do we deliver benefits to our customers? Mainly, we have two different product categories. On the one hand side, we have a product configurator where we focus on one single product that users of our software solution can then individually configure how they want to. They can change dimensions, colors, sizes, or other options. And on the other side, we offer a room designer where customers can design and create entire rooms and then with a simple drag and drop function, design the rooms with a predefined library of products. And as I've mentioned, we are part of the Homer Group. We also had a very huge development effort in the last couple of years where we have developed HOMAG Intelligence. What we are doing is we combine our product configurator knowledge with the production machines for the timber industry of HOMAG in order to get a process which reaches end to end. So we start with the design and configurator that you can see on the slide on the right-hand side, where users can simply design a specific furniture how they want to. After they are happy with that, they can check out and then purchase that furniture so that the internal sales department of our customers, the users of HOMAG Intelligence, get all of that orders in the order manager. They can have a look on it and they can, adjust them accordingly. And once they are happy with those orders, you can either produce them in-house or with third-party production and send them the data directly to the CNC machine. So what we were able to do is that you let users configure products in our configurator and then automatically send all of that data to the CNC machine. And this is something that I want to show you now in a short video. So first we start with our product configurator, where you see in that scenario, you have a module of a couch that you can change the color, the leg types, and so on. And in addition, you can add specific modules that you want to add to that sofa to individually create the sofa that you want to have. Once you're happy, you can again change the color, or you click on the button augmented reality and then you can place that digital product in reality. Now let's have a look at the room designer and HOMAG Intelligence. We start with the room and the predefined library as mentioned. And then users can simply drag and drop the items into the room that they want to purchase. In that scenario, we can create the kitchen that we want to have. So we can place the modules one after the other into that room. And once we're happy, proceed to the checkout. We simply add our checkout data and then purchase that kitchen. And now we're switching the view from the end user to the internal sales department, who get all the orders as a good overview. And then you even see all the modules that were selected, also in an even more technical view. So you now see all the construction elements, you see the hinges, and so on. The internal sales department can then check the order, and once they are happy with the order, they can give it a go towards the production manager, which looks very similar. However, now we don't have the individual modules, but now we really have the parts that have to be produced. And not only that, we also immediately have all the CNC data that we need for production. look at that. We know exactly which drills have to be made in which position for which depth. And we can immediately take that information and send that to the machine for the production. This is what we're doing now. So we send that and give it a go. We send it to IntelliDivide. You can now select the CNC machine where you want to produce that order, and then send it to our nesting tool, where two algorithms calculate the best possible way to produce that order. You can then change between a balanced solution, the one with the minimum waste or the minimum costs, and so on. And once you're happy with that, we shoot that data to the production, and then the machines know exactly what they have to produce. Now let's recap the benefits of Homag Intelligence. With our end-to-end process, we were able to deliver one platform for all processes. And whatever our customers need, they can simply mix and match whatever part of the entire process they want to have or what they need. In addition to that, we have an open and seamless data flow, which means that the configurator for the end user, the order manager in between, and the machines for the production, they all take the data from our central data management. And in addition to that, we have transparent data without any duplicates, as mentioned, because there's only one single source of truth. In addition to that, due to the logic that we define in our configurator, all the orders that result from our configurator are error-free because we limit the user to only be able to configure what you can actually produce. In addition to that, you are scalable and future-proof due to our modular processes and our modular platform that you, as mentioned, can simply combine as you want to. And on top of that, you are very flexible in production because you can either produce the orders in-house or you send the data immediately to the CNC machines of your third-party suppliers. You can even automate that, of course. So thank you very much for your attention. If you are interested in getting more information, feel free to reach out anytime and enjoy SIGGRAPH 2025.